Yo guys, it's Up Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Right, so today we're working on this next room up here before we start working on this big guy right here. And this one is gonna basically be a battery room, kind of like a backup battery energy system. Which means this is gonna be quite a haul, because batteries, energy cells, they're quite heavy to bring back and forth, so that's gonna be a bit annoying, but it will work. So, I think first and foremost, I'll just start a little bit with the walls here, just start slapping these on, and then we'll have to, I think the next step will then be to start locating where the stair goes and where the oxygen supply is gonna come from, and once we have all of that, it's battery time. But yeah, so I'm not quite sure. I saw a screenshot, was it today or yesterday? I cannot quite remember. I think it was yesterday. It was not an official Space Engineers post, but it was somebody in the Space Engineers multiplayer group posted a screenshot of a what was it? I think like a missile turret, a newly designed missile turret. That would be part of the new update, but I couldn't really find anything to confirm that. So, I'm not 100% sure on that. I really hope it's not just a redesign, that would be a bit lame. But, we'll see, Okay, so that's the base ring. So I think we can, from here to maybe here, we can probably just slap batteries in, right? Because here we're gonna probably just make the wall straight here, just so we don't get these ugly ridges at the back, So we're probably just gonna do it like this. That makes sure that won't happen. Let me just do this, alright. And then, yeah, let's go for another round of steel plates and then we'll do the rest design-wise. And also, when we're already here, let's make some more steel plates. Let me just look into the inventory. Do you have anything that's low? Girders, small steel tubes. Oh yeah, the windows. Let's also make girders and steel tubes, why not? Keep the machine busy, keep the ball rolling, I think that's always a good idea. So yeah, we're getting closer and closer to the functional construction of the ship, I would say, Of course, we still have, or I still want to make a few changes design-wise, because I think it could look a little bit cooler at certain spots. But functionally speaking, the ship is almost close to being fully operational. I mean, the big thing after the quote-unquote engine room of the gyros is going to be the placement of the the thrusters. That's going to be the big thing that we'll have to think about. But after that, the ship will be able to fly around. Of course, there's going to be a lot of fine-tuning involved with that, obviously, but So, here, I think, if I see this correctly, to ensure that we have connection to the upper floor, there needs to be this. Yeah, and then this goes down into here. And I think we're just gonna replace... Oops, that wasn't super smart, but there you go. We'll replace this one with one of those. Not a sorter, just a normal conveyor. And then just slap the vent on there. That's probably pretty decent. Okay, let me get some spare components. Actually, let me just put in the rest of the components into these. There you go. Empty. Good. But yeah, that's decent, I would say. Okay, let's get some more of these. Oh no, not these. Hold on. I also want some of that. And then I think we'll also need, for the next step, some computers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, let me just get a little zip of energy. Tiny zip. Oh yeah, also tomorrow evening, Thursday that is, yeah, Thursday, I'm gonna do a stream on Thursday, because I was asked by a dev, like an indie dev, to play a game on that day, stream a game that is coming out on that day, and I'm gonna be happy to do so. I think it's called Tin Shift, if I've seen that correctly. I actually need to install it. I've received a code. Tin Shift. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a shooter, like a multiplayer shooter kind of thing. I'm gonna play some of that. So if you want to tune in, I'll be happy to entertain you, hopefully, and you can take a look at the game and decide if you want to buy it. I think it comes out on Thursday, I believe. So yeah, I hope that's gonna be cool. We'll see. Right, so let me grab a vent. Slap that onto here. Okay, we need 20 more construction components. Fair enough. We will get those. That's okay. I'm just gonna put in some. There we go. Now we have used up all the components. Right. So let's use up the steel plates. Then we'll fix up the vent after this, and yeah. Let's go and get that, and then we'll start placing down at least the skeletons of the batteries. No, not small batteries, of course. Large ones, these bad boys here. They're gonna be quite costly, I can tell you. How are we doing on energy cells, by the way? 303. We'll need 80 energy cells per big battery. I have a feeling we need to get some more of those, because I think we'll at least put 10 of those in here, if not more. Oh, we forgot. Now, never mind. We'll get the stuff next time for the vent. 20 construction components, if memory serves right. Okay. So, just so I can get a grasp on how this is gonna look, let's put this together over here so we can put the stairs down. Or at least the whereabouts of the stairs, where it's gonna go, perhaps. Let's actually grab some components so we can do that. And these as well. That should be enough. There we go. Okay, I have the feeling we're gonna put the stairs like here, a bit more back. Alright. And then we'll use these blocks here to create a bit of a smoother looking thing. And now I'm kind of questioning if I should not like pull down the whole room by one block, honestly. Because that would make things a bit easier. That would also make this thing here, you know, more sensible. Yeah, let me... I might actually do that. Yeah, we probably will do that now that I'm thinking of it. Okay. Let's get rid of all of these. Reclaim that steel. And then also we can technically reclaim that. Technically. Oh, bit more interior plates needed. You know what? I'm gonna just remove that as well. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, I mean, just as a mental note here, put the next conveyor part here. So this is gonna be like that then. Right. So this is gonna be where the next floor is. So it's gonna be like this. Right. Yeah. Okay, that works. There we go. I think that's a bit more coherent like that. Makes more sense. Okay. Let's start welding this stuff. Or at least like the baseline here. Also just putting my components into here just so we get rid of them. There we go. Let's get another round. Another, no, not these. Not these. We're already done with 1,000. Excellent. Do we need to... Seriously, do we need anything else? I mean, superconductors and reactor components, not right now, right? I mean, everything else, we're not particularly low. I mean, I guess we'll do 1,000 computers as well. Why not? Computers, we always will need these in massive amounts, so... Right, I will just weld this like middle part completely, and then the rest of the ceiling we're just gonna place down and weld later. But I think it's sometimes I really need this like mental thing, you know, that a part of it is at least complete, so I have some grasp on, you know, the dimensions. But sometimes if you just place down the scaffolding, it's can be a bit tricky visually. There we go. Okay. So now let's place, oh, whoop, that, and that. There we go, better. Again, Jesus Christ. Time flies now, doesn't it? Right, let's actually place all of it. Also the, at least the walls on this side here, where the batteries are gonna be on. Let's get these as well. And then here we're just gonna get the outline, basically. Well, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just smack it in. Why not? There we go. Placing all of that. And that should be it. Good. Alright, let's get a good look here. So I think the batteries are gonna go here. How much space do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, and if we put them all up to the ceiling, that's 6 by 3. That's 18, that's 32 batteries, which means about 3,600, almost probably like 4,000 energy cells. Yeah, that's gonna be a freaking haul, I can tell you that. We have to really make a lot of trips for that. But yeah, I think that would be kind of good to have that as like a backup slash battery power system that can get charged while the ship is not moving, you know? Like in the moment while we're building it. You know, if I had this whole plan in my head for the whole ship at the beginning, where everything goes in what dimension, I would have built the battery and the solar panel first, obviously, because then it could at least charge for extended amounts of time, but, you know. It is how it is. And we might just need more and more solar panels even, I don't even know. We'll see. That's my biggest problem with ships that I build. I can never really in advance tell if I have enough like batteries and reactors on board to support it. You know, it happens so often in creative. I build a ship, it looks cool, and then when I try to fly it around, it's like, oh god, it cannot even lift off the ground because the freaking reactors and batteries in it are not strong enough for the amount of thrusters. Happens to me quite often, I have to say. Shameful, I know, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's swell these as well, so we don't forget about them. Okay. Right, let's get down to the business. Also, yeah, I'll make sure they're all looking the same way. Do we want them like this or like that? I think like this, with a center, the center gauge, so to speak. Centralized gauge, however we want to call it. Like so. So that's all gonna be battery, and no assault, just battery, you know? There you go. And then here there's gonna be like control systems, big LCD screen, you know, the normal stuff. I'm pretty sure there's probably an automatic LCD script or like a command to show the battery charge status in percent. I'm almost certain there's something along those lines. Must be, right? Would make sense. Alright. Let me just... Okay, we need 80 steel plates per battery. That's fine. Well, we'll do that first. Get all the steel plates for all the batteries, right? You know what? I'm even gonna drop this in here so you have a little bit more room. I know it's only 7 plates, but hey, 7 plates per flight can make the difference if you have to do a bunch of them, right? Okay, I think we'll have like 4 flights per side. Well, 3 and something. 3 point something. Okay. Yeah, the brutal thing is really gonna be the energy cells. I might actually use the welding ship to quickly transport it over. Just so I have a little bit of a quicker... You know, like, so I can deposit them near here. We'll see. There we go. You know, like, load everything onto this ship, then fly it over to the entrance there, and then so I just have to go up and down. Might be a smart idea. Ow! God damn it. Oh, at least I'm not dead. Not yet. I'm sure you can play like a fun little drinking game when I play this game. It's like every time I kill myself, you drink. I know there's a bunch of episodes where that doesn't happen, but Jesus Christ, that's more than enough. It will. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Down. So we started here, yeah. Okay, we might be actually be able to do this in 2 more flights, depending if I did my maths correctly. We'll see. The last flight might just need like 4 steel plates or something, but yeah. Okay, so this one is good. It might just work. Oh no, the last one will just be like the last block will not have enough steel plates. Yeah, damn it. I guess something one could also do. It's kind of silly, but I was just thinking of it. Make a dispenser. Oh god, the idea is just formulating in my head. Give me a minute. Oh, I have to do it. I have to do it like perfectly, otherwise it would not work. You know, I have like set up a dispenser. Oh, I would have to build out like over there. But a dispenser over there with an item sorter, and then dispense energy cells. That's you know, in 0 gravity, so they will fly over here slowly, and then over here just build a temporary freaking what are they called? Collectors? And and a cargo container behind it. That's probably the dumbest idea, dumbest way to do it, but it would work. I had that idea once, like for a planetary, like a space station to planetary transport system without having to actually connect conveyors, like from the ground to the station. Just have like drop an item like at the edge of gravity and then see where it lands and then try to build a collector there. You know, so basically drop items from space into orbit. Of course it doesn't work the other way around, but it's kind of a funny thought, you know. I wonder if it would damage like the collector if you drop like something that's too heavy, like, because the thing is, if you dispense like big amount of minerals like ores, they become like huge stones and they can really destroy stuff. So I wonder if the collector would be able to collect fast enough before stuff is destroyed. But yeah, anyway, let's go with something easy next with the computers, right? Yeah, let's do that. Let's go with a bunch of computers, and actually let's make a... Ooh. You're telling me we've run out of iron? Wow, that's a new one. That's definitely a new one. Okay, we might actually need to go and gorge ourselves on some iron this or next episode. Probably next episode. Damn, didn't expect that, honestly. Alright, hopefully we'll be able to do this in one swoop here. That looks good. Yes, most excellent. That should be all the computers done. Next, construction. Let's go with small tubes next. Yeah, I have the feeling we've completely run out of... Oh, I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's check that real quick. Iron. Oh yeah, we are down to our last iron ore. Ooh, yeah, we need to get new one. New iron ore. Shit. That's a bit awkward, but okay. I mean, we have several options to get iron ore from. Some of them are nearby, so that should be okay. Wait, what the heck? Oh, I was not looking up batteries. I'm such an idiot. What do I need next? Construction components. Yeah, that makes much more sense.
Critical.
You know, I was kind of wondering, why do we need pipes for batteries? You know, for the flow of energy, I suppose, but... I mean, in German, the, like electricity, a word for that can be Strom, which is also a word for a river, so... Or for like a fast-flowing river. Maybe that makes sense. In German, it makes sense, I suppose. Right. Let's see how much we can get done here. Yeah, okay, we need at least one more flight. Pretty much one more. Yeah, okay. Let's go, and then I have the feeling then I want to kind of go on the trip for iron ore. Because we need that ASAP. You have seen we were down to 15k steel plates. That's as low as we never were, pretty much. It's definitely like a new low. Boom, there you go. There you go. Okay. I'm just curious, how many energy cells can I transport just by myself? I don't think it's even enough for one battery. No. No, we're not gonna do that by hand. Yeah, we'll have to figure something out. Again, I might just use this ship here. Can I access I'm not even sure I can access the cargo stuff there. Let's see if I can batch. Oh no, it's called energy cells. Hold on. Show all types of inventory. Oh no, it's called power cell, isn't it? Not energy cell. There it is. Yeah, I cannot access it from here because there is a... Yeah, this sorter here. So we might have to... like, slap a connector onto here. So we can go over here with the ship, load it. Yeah, I think we'll do that as well next time. Or you know what? We'll start doing this now. So that next time we can go on the trip to find iron ore. And yeah, we'll do that now. Let's real quick. So we'll do it like this. Yoink, yoink. Like so. And then like that. And then here will be a connector. Which we'll not be able to place right now because we don't have the materials. But yep. Okay. This is kind of awkward because now we have to get this material from down below, but that's okay. I think we can manage. Right. So let's get a new round of these. Excellent. 20 more construction components. Connector established. Oh, yeah, that also needs... Right, that should do the trick. There we go. Okay, so let's, before we end this, let's just park this differently. Auto off. Off, locked. Yeah, we're ready to go. Just getting this whoop out of the parking spot. And fly it over. Now, actually, we're gonna swing it around the corner here. Yo! That was beautiful. More or less. I hope I'm not gonna bang my tail here on the asteroid back there, but I think I might be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. Could you please connect me? There you go. So now I can technically, if I go into inventory, I should be able to get power cells. Where are they? Here. Why can I not put them in here? That should work, shouldn't it? Oh, yeah, I know why. Oh, I hate this. That's one of the things I really hate. Yeah, okay. It doesn't work because you need to have big cargo connectors on this ship. And we don't. There's no easy way to fix this, honestly. Well, fuck. Let me think. Is there... If I flip this one, 90 degrees... Not 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees, actually. From this orientation to this orientation. And then put a... one of... Actually, then it's directly connected to the connector, and that works. And then I just have to establish a connection between this... Well, no, and then we can only load it into one container. You know what? We might actually do this by hand. I know that's kind of silly, but... You know what I mean? Oh, did I now disconnect this ship? I might have disconnected this one now. No, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, we're... This is kind of annoying. I should have known that. I barely use, like, transportation like that. You know what I mean? So I rarely run into that problem. But yeah. Alright, let me just disconnect everything so at least next time that is gone. But yeah, we might just get the stuff in there by hand. I know that's a very sloppy way of doing it, but Jesus Christ. If there's like one thing I could change about this game, well, it probably wouldn't be that, let's be honest. But still, that would be a thing. Actually, why is that here? Let's get rid of that. Then yeah, if this would be a super convenient change that components could be transported over these as well, but hey, there you go. It is how it is. Okay. Let me see, how quickly can we do this, the swapping? If I get this guy like right over... Oh, whoops! Like right over here. You know, then we can do something along these lines where we grab stuff, yoink, grab stuff, and just shove that in there, you know? If we get rid of that, can we carry one cell more at least? Yeah, we can. You know, well, probably have to do it like this, and then I'll calculate to the exact amount how much I need to put in there. Oh Jesus, we can... Oh god, okay, it's not even that big of an upgrade now, isn't it? So I can... How much do I get? Can I get in here? It's 84 times 3 or something, so that means every time I fly back and forth with this thing, we can complete 3 batteries. Yeah, that's not big. That's not very big, I have to be honest. Not a huge advantage. I can also then take a few more into my player inventory. I probably can shove some into the cockpit. I'm just trying to make this a bit more efficient, but the game kind of refuses to let me do that. Or rather, I don't have to have my stuff set up in a way that makes this more efficient. But yeah, I could probably also go in here, put some in this inventory. Um, 25. Okay. So how much can we carry? Well, actually, for a good simulation, we need to have at least that in our inventory, because otherwise we cannot do anything with the stuff once we're over there. So, like this. How much do we have? We have 29, 25, so that's 40, 54. And then 58, 62, 66, plus 3 times 80, that's 240, 306 per flight. Okay? 306. Let me just write that down real quick. And now we have 36 batteries times 80. That's 2,880. Divided by 306. That means we have to fly about 9 times. Compared to if we do it by hand, which means we have 29, that's 99 times. So I think we still do it this way because it's like 10 times faster. It's still fucking annoying me. Oh well. And I can barely move, but it's gonna be fine. Okay. So, but that is all next time. So next time we're gonna do this. We're gonna find ourselves some more iron. Lots and lots of things to do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.